What's up everybody? I just received an awesome package from RoadRunner Scooters for my RX7. RoadRunner has developed their own electroluminescent lighting system called RoadGlo, an upgraded lighting package for the RX7. I have one of the first RX7s that we're shipping out. RoadRunner's first lighting system had some issues that they weren't really satisfied with, so to achieve the highest quality standards that RoadRunner's known for, they developed RoadGlo. Let's check it out. Here's my RX7 with its original lighting for reference. I will compare once the new lighting is installed. Again, I have an early model with a different electroluminescent lighting, and this update kit is supposed to be a lot brighter and better overall for easy replacement if I want to ever freshen it up. So let's review what comes in this RoadGlo lighting kit. It comes with the electroluminescent adhesive vinyl die cut panels, this updated quick release wiring and harness, and it comes with the lighting inverter. I have an older RX7 that came with a different lighting system. If you purchased your RX7 recently, then your scooter will already have this installed. Okay, now I'm going to remove the old lighting and prep the new lighting for install. You'll want a good non-abrasive scraper tool. I got these ones off of Amazon. You'll also want a heat gun to help remove all the panels. As you can see, I'm using the non-abrasive scraper and the heat gun, and it's working pretty effectively. I found the scraper to be really effective for not only the removal, but also the install of the new panels. The newer panels are a thicker outer layer that adds extra protection, and it still has a waterproof rating of IP67. And just like that, we're done. Look how bright this thing is. It's amazing. The new panels look great. Nice and bright. Let's check it out with the lights off. Ready? Look at this thing. It is awesome. It is a day and night difference now. So much better color coming out of this. It is great. Now let's bring up the two to see the difference. RoadRunner's RoadGlo kit is a great update and refresh kit for any RX7. Go check it out.